8721. When inspecting a removable rigid fuel tank for leaks, what procedure should be followed? A. Pressurize the tank with air and brush with soapy water. B. Fill the tank with water and pressurize with air and brush with soapy water. C. Pressurize the tank with air and submerge in water to locate leaks. The correct answer is A. When inspecting a removable rigid fuel tank for leaks, the tank should be pressurized with air and then visually inspected for leaks. Brushing with soapy water can help identify any leaks as the escaping air will create bubbles in the soapy water. Filling the tank with water can be dangerous as water can enter the fuel system and cause contamination. Submerging the tank in water is also not recommended as this can cause corrosion and other damage to the tank. 8722. If it is necessary to enter an aircraft's fuel tank, which procedure should be avoided? A. Continue purging the tank during the entire work period. B. Station an assistant outside the fuel tank access to perform rescue operations if required. C. Conduct the defueling and tank purging operation in an air-conditioned building. The correct answer is C. The procedure that should be avoided is conducting defueling and purging activities inside any building, regardless of whether it is air-conditioned or not. These operations should be carried out exclusively in outdoor areas. 8723. What is the recommended practice for cleaning a fuel tank before welding? A. Purge the tank with air. B. Flush the inside of the tank with clean water. C. Steam clean the tank interior. The correct answer is C. Prior to welding a gasoline tank, it is recommended to perform a thorough cleaning process. This involves washing the tank with hot water and a detergent to remove any fuel residue present. Subsequently, live steam should be passed through the tank for approximately 30 minutes. This steam treatment helps vaporize and eliminate any remaining fuel, ensuring a safe welding environment. 8724. An aircraft's integral fuel tank is A. Usually located in the bottom of the fuselage. B. A part of the aircraft structure. C. A self-sealing tank. The correct answer is B. An integral fuel tank is a type of fuel tank that is an integral part of the aircraft structure, as opposed to an auxiliary fuel tank that is not a structural component. The tank is designed and built into the aircraft during manufacturing and is not intended to be removed or replaced as a separate unit. It is generally made of the same materials as the surrounding structure and is often located in the wings or fuselage. The tank is sealed to prevent fuel leakage and may have additional features such as baffles to prevent fuel sloshing and fuel pumps for transfer of fuel to the engines. 8725. Which gas is used for purging an aircraft fuel tank? A. Helium or argon. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Carbon monoxide. The correct answer is B. Carbon dioxide, CO2, can indeed be used to purge an aircraft fuel tank of fuel vapors. Purging with CO2 is a common practice to remove flammable vapors and create an inert atmosphere inside the tank. CO2 is introduced into the tank, displacing the oxygen and lowering the concentration of fuel vapors, reducing the risk of fire or explosion during maintenance or repair operations. It is an effective method for ensuring the safety of personnel and equipment when working with fuel tanks.